No, sit, sit. Yeah, there. Have gaps. Easy sitting. All right, people. Good morning on the banks of Ganga. We call it Har Har Gange. So we all will say this. Har Har Gange. Har Har Gange means you are now greeting the Ganga and you are telling the Ganga, the river, that yes, I come to you, and I come to you means I mean it, and I'm gonna be connected with you, taking your energy, receiving your energy, and I hail you. Hi. Right? So this is what it means to say Hara Hara Gange. Okay, so again we say Hara Hara Gange. And now we are here for the best thing what we can get by being here. Today, now is the time that we can take it. The best thing you can get in life which will help you each moment in life. And that is the flow. We are here to receive the flow. We are here to learn the flow. We are here to absorb the flow. And we are here to retain the flow forever inside our life, inside us, right? And this is the best gift Ganga can give you. And that is why I love Ganga, because this is all I got from her. Since year 2000 to 2003, for 3 years, I was just sitting here, just meditating with the flow. And I was just receiving that. And nothing else can make you much more enlightened or spiritual than this flow. It's most important. So Ganga shows us not to get stuck anywhere for anything in any situation in life. Just flow. Everything else is taken care of. So you see, when the rocks come and there are bigger rocks there, it doesn't stop. It doesn't struggle with the rock. It just finds its way like this. Similarly, you also don't get stuck anywhere. Don't struggle. Don't stuck in the struggles. Just find a flow. And the flow will take care of everything. Right? So this flow is the most important thing. So what we do now is, first we will just spread our arms and embrace the Ganga and its flow. Make the connection with the Ganga, and then we will keep your eyes open and just look at the flow and feel that you are embracing the flow, you are letting the flow come into you. Now close your eyes and take this flow into your heart. Embrace it. Take it in. Now we will do the flow meditation. How will we do it? Keep gazing at the flow in a very loving gazing manner, and feel that you are getting connected with the flow. Once you feel that you are connected with the flow, let the flow go through you. Feel that you are in the flow and it is growing through you, and you are removing all the heaviness. You are letting go of all the heaviness, all the stiffness, and you are becoming transparent, you are becoming light, you are becoming fine and fine and fine, and the flow is going through you, going through you, going through you, cleaning you completely. Okay? That is the second step. Once you have done that, you feel that it's happening, then automatically your eyes will become heavy and your eyes will get closed. Allow them to go close and feel that you are the flow yourself. You're just flowing. Okay? Nothing can stop you, nothing can bind you, you're just flowing. So enjoy being that flow for some moment in your closed eyes. Right? So this would be the third step. This is how we'll complete the meditation. So we'll do it for around 20 minutes. I'll then later on tell you to come back. Okay? Got it? First, loving gazing, connecting with the flow. Second, feel that flowing is going through you, cleaning you, taking away all the heaviness and making you transparent. And third, close your eyes and feel that you are the flow and you are just flowing. ओके? आपको करने तो जूते उतार दो, आराम से करो. Okay? Enjoy this meditation, you and Ganga.